Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to review MiniMax VL01 model. It's a vision model. We are not only going to try it out on various benchmarks by using different images of different sorts, I am also going to explain what exactly this model is in very simple words from architectural point of view. So stay tuned. One thing, I won't be able to get it installed locally no matter how much would I love to do that, but I can't due to the reason that it requires at least 8 80 GB VRAM H100 or A100 GPUs in a multi GPU cluster to do inference locally. Of course, I don't have that, so I won't be able to run it. But what I will do to make it up, I will show you a running demo on Hugging Face space. Thank you to Hugging Face, and we will see how it works. One heads up, if you try to use it and if you encounter any errors or delays, that is expected because it is a free Hugging Face space and a lot of people might be using it. It's a free one, so you might face some throttling. We might even encounter it during our demo, so please bear with me. Anyway, let's try to first understand what exactly this model is. Vision model. Now, this MiniMax model is a new model which is a multimodal LLM that combines computer vision and natural language processing capabilities. It is based on diffusion transformer or ViT-MLP-LLM framework that integrates three key components. First is vision transformer, which is a 303 million parameter model for visual encoding trained from scratch on 694 million image caption pairs. Second component is MLP projector, which is a randomly initialized two-layer projector for image adaptation. Third and final, it uses MiniMax Text01 model, which is a base LLM text base that serves as a foundation for multimodal model. We already have covered this MiniMax text model just a couple of days back, so if you're interested, check it out. I'm sure you would love it. It has 4 million context window, by the way. Anyway, coming back to this VL model in this MiniMax series, it has three key features. First and foremost, it has got dynamic resolution. So input images, whatever you use, are resized and split into patches for efficient processing. Secondly, it's been trained on a vast amount of data, including caption, description, instruction data, and so on. Also, if you go to its model card, you will see there are a lot of benchmarking information, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. You can check it out. So this model seems to be designed to handle multimodal tasks that require both visual and linguistic understanding, making it a powerful tool, but we will try it out and see in actual how it works. Before I show you the demo, let me quickly introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Let me straight take you to the Hugging Face website, and then we will start testing it out. And as I said, I will drop the link to it in video's description so that you can also play around. So I'm just going to select a few images from my local system here, as you can see. So first up, I'm just going to check it out with one of my favorite images from Australia. I'm just going to ask it, describe the image. So let's wait for it. There you go. It says the image depicts a vibrant. Okay, let's wait for it to print it out. Okay, that is cool. So it says the image depicts a vibrant sunset scene with a large bright yellow sun setting against an orange and red sky. That is correct. And this is the image. I should have shown you earlier, but anyway. Sorry, let me try to make it a bit smaller so that let's see if it fits on the screen. Okay, much better. Now we can see the image and the text. So if you compare now, so it has rightly said that there are kangaroos, there are birds in V formation, and the overall mood is serene. So let me ask it, how many birds, maybe I'll just ask both, how many kangaroos and birds are there, sorry, in the image. Let's see if it is able to count it. So let's wait for it. So it says an exact number of kangaroos and birds is not specified. So I'll just ask it, can you count the birds and kangaroos? Okay, it says I can help you that, but it is not helping me. So it cannot count, which is, I believe, should have counted with the number of the size of the model and the number of parameters. It should count it. For example, if I take you to this Hugging Face page, if I click on files, look at the shards. I mean, it goes on and on and on. Like it has 414 shards. That is insane. And model of that size should have counted it, because even 7 billion, 14 billion models in vision I have seen, they have counted at least kangaroos rightly. I think only few models, maybe one or two, were able to count the birds, but they were close. But this model is not even trying. Okay, that is fine. Let's try out. Let's not make any judgment for now. Let's try out few more. Let's do the another one. So I have just given it a clock, and I'm going to ask it, what is the time on the clock? Let's see. Let's wait for it. So it has got the time right, which is quite good. Very nice. Many models fail that, by the way, so I'll very happy with it. And let's try out a hard one. So I'll just ask it again, what is the time on the clock? This is a bit hard. There are a lot of uh, stuff happening here. No, so this is not 1010. So you see, model couldn't, and it hallucinated. So if you want to see the example of hallucination, there you go. Okay, so let's try out OCR now, maybe. So I'll just start with English first, and I'll say extract the text in this image. So this image not only contains English, but some of the other European languages, plus some alphanumeric characters. Okay, I think you see it is still going with the previous one. When that happens, normally what I do, I just simply reload it. So it's again started. So I'll just, maybe I will go with hard clock again to see if it still hallucinates or not. So clock hard, and I'll ask it, what is time on clock? Let's see if it is able to do it now. Not really, not really. I don't think so. So the time is not correct. So I'll just reload it. I'll select now OCR again, and I am going to give it my image again. And look, I'm being very transparent. I will show you as it happens without sugarcoating anything. There you go. So you see, it has just extracted this. Is max token is how many tokens? There are max tokens are huge. Temperature is also very low, so it should be deterministic. So this is, I'm not sure. I mean, anyway, so maybe I'll try again. I'll reload it. I'll say, maybe I'll just go down. Maybe I'll select any other language. I'll say, okay, let's go with Chinese. I'll say extract all the text in this image. I will fix my typo. This looks much better if I compare. If you're a Chinese speaker, please confirm, but I think this looks spot on. Okay, that is good. Let me try the same prompt with the English one which we tried earlier. So English and European, of course, and I'm going to run it. And by the way, you can fast forward the video if you just don't see me want to see me typing, but I just want to be transparent here. So you see, it's not providing me the whole stuff. Okay, so that is bit of our bummer, not good. Okay, let's try out a few more. So I'm just going to ask it, give it this blurry image, and ask it, who is this person? Let's see if that is good. Model didn't hallucinate. That I like. Okay, let's try out another one. Let's see if it can do Arabic OCR. What do you think? I'm not sure. This one looks good. But if you're an Arabic speaker, please advise us. What do you think about this OCR? Okay, let's try out another one. Okay, next one I'm trying to confuse the model. So in this one, I'm asking it which movie this image is showing. Because you see, it says Pulp Fiction, but it's not showing Pulp Fiction. It is Pulp Fiction, which is a image which I created for another video. And then I'm asking it which lane should I take, and it has given me correct answer, which is quite good. And then I'm asking it a location question, just give it an image. That is correct, but I was actually hoping that model of this size at least should print some more information, because this is a mosque in the city of Lahore in Pakistan, um, quite an old mosque, but I was hoping that it would give me more information about it. Anyway, so let me maybe ask it in a prompt. I'll select another location. So I'm just going to give it this temple, which is in Madurai in India, I believe. So it's that's correct now. So if you have to ask it, so now it is telling me exactly the correct information. That is, it's a Meenakshi Amman temple located in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, which is cool. That's good. Okay, let's try another location one with bit of a more information. Now this one is a hard one. So I'm asking it which location. So this is from the nah, so it got it wrong. So this is primarily a stupa, which it got it right, but it is not in Madhya Pradesh, India. It is in Texla in Pakistan from Gandhara civilization, but rest of it, I think, at least it was able to detect it as stupa, which is quite impressive. Not every vision model can do that, because it is such an old civilization. And if you're into that thing, I would highly encourage you to just Google Gandhara civilization. You'll be surprised how advanced they were. Anyway, let's try out few more. Okay, next one is a contextual one. So I'm asking it, where is she looking and is it legal? It, there you go. So they are model is saying that she is looking at her phone. It is not legal. So let me ask her, is she driving? There you go. So you see, model is saying that it doesn't know that, which is quite good. But I think it should guess, maybe not. Without, there is no steering, so looks like a passenger seat to me. Anyway, I think I model should have guessed it. It's a passenger seat. Now I am asking it which journal has the most circulation monthly. So you see, these are the ones. It says US pharmacist. So this is a US pharmacist. This is this, and this is monthly. This is very impressive. So it can do the OCR, but it doesn't extract it. So which is fine. So I think it has definitely made up for that earlier mistake. So I'm very impressed by this answer. Okay, next one, I'm asking it that this is a table and I have just 1000 maybe byte of memory. Which model should I download? It says that based on information, and these are the memory requirements for each model. Given your memory constraint, the model fit. These are the two correct. Very nice. And then it has settled on this one. Look, this is not a bad model. I mean, yes, it didn't get few things right, but this is, and the previous tabular intelligence is really impressive. And finally, I'm going to just tease the model a little bit. So I'm just asking it that I just created this image with AI. I am now thinking of marrying this girl. What do you think? If you like her, I can let you have a try in proposing her. So model is saying, I understand that you might be expressing admiration for the image you created, but it is important to remember that image is generated by AI, does not represent a real person. If you are feeling a strong connection or admiration for the image, it might be helpful to channel those creative or artistic endeavors. Why else am I creating this video? And if you are interested in proposing to someone in real life, it's important to focus on building. Very nice. This is a good, you know, relationship advice. And then model is saying these are fantastic tool for creativity, but they shouldn't be confused with real life relationship. So you don't like it. So you see, model is quite staunch. Model is not really budging from its stance, so which is quite good. Really like it. So look, I think really good model. Of course, there is a room for improvement when it comes to, I believe, the language side of the things. You have to be very careful with your prompting in order to get some good intelligence out of it. But other than that, I believe it is quite good. And I believe that OCR could also improve. Other than that, I think it is spot on. Let me know what do you think about the model. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.